Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to our English lesson. So, for today's lesson, we are still in Unit 2, Appreciating Others, but we are focusing on writing module. So, by the end of this video, you should be able to write a creative cards for your mother and your friend. Okay, now let's look at an example. So, you can refer to your textbook, page 16. So this is a Happy Father's Day card from Kamini to her father. Okay, you can have a look at this page on your textbook. Okay, I'm not going to read it. Okay, move on. How do you write a card? So these phrases might help you to write your greeting cards or your appreciation card. Okay, so thank you for being, you are always there for me when I am proud to be you are the best, and I hope I can be a great blah 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 blah. Okay, so these are the phrases that you can use to write your card. Okay, now let's try out. So dear mom, so this is example of writing a card for your mom. Okay, so dear mom, thank you for being the best mom for me. You are always there for me when I need you. Or you can also say you are always there for me when I am in my hard time. Okay, so I am proud to be your child. I hope I can be a great child for you. I love you, mom. Your child, Greg. So those words that are not being highlighted are actually taken from these phrases. Okay, so move on to the next example. So this is writing a card to your friend, for example. Okay, so dear Kartigayan, thank you for being my best friend, the best friend, my great friend. You are always there for me when I need you. I am proud to be your friend. I hope I can be a great friend for you. Your friend, Anis. Okay, so you can just change all these words in highlighted, and then you can make use of that words or phrases for this card. Alright, so I'll just give you the link to your worksheet, and I hope you can complete that. If you have anything to ask, you can just text me, okay? So please stay safe at home, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.